Hey, what's up, people? Well, storm number 3 in about a week and a half now. Welcome to Riding on Ruby. Well, here we go again. Supposed to get about 2 inches an hour for a while. Maybe about 2 or 3 hours. Supposed to get about 8 inches of snow. See if I could zoom in so you could see that. Snow's coming down pretty good. Here's the whole area. Snow everywhere. See the snow coming down over there. Yep. Welcome to Connecticut. And we're supposed to, let's see, today is February 8th, a Saturday, 2025. And next Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, we're going to be getting even more snow. More storms in the pipeline. Yep. It's going to be fun waking up tomorrow. Hit the like, I'd appreciate it. And if you want to see any motorcycle or winter shorts or paintings that I do, hit the subscribe button. Share the peace and love, everyone.